Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you two ways on how you can easily exit the Android Auto. So as you guys can see, we are connected. Now, if we want to leave, what we want to do is we want to go over and here we have the apps. So if you have a layout like this, you just click here and now you click here. As you guys can see, we are back to the old settings. Sorry, not old, but just the main screen. And now the second way of doing that, instead of going for the app here, you go over and press the home icon at the bottom. So MG thought of that, and instead of just adding the app to exit, they also made it so that you can still adjust your heated seats, heated steering wheel, also other heated seats, and here you still can leave the Android Auto just like this. So that's how you guys can do that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.